Hi traders, in this video we are going to be looking at the Chin Breakout Alert indicator for MT4. Okay, so in order to download the indicator, just check the description below. You're going to find the link. After downloading the indicator, you head over to your file, open data folder, and then you navigate to MQL4, and from there you go to indicators, and then you paste the indicator file in here. Remember that you need to unpack the compressed file that you downloaded from the description below. Okay, after unpacking the compressed file, then you will need to pick out the ex4 file or mql4 file depending on the one that is there, and you paste it in here. Okay, after that you head back to your terminal, you refresh your navigator. After refreshing your navigator, then just drag and drop the Chin Breakout Alert indicator to your chart, your preferred chart. Ensure that the allow DLL imports box is checked, and then as for your input settings, you can decide if you want your alert to be enabled or not, and then for the pop-up box, enable or not, and then your timeout value default 6.0. You can edit that if you wish. Okay, so now this indicator, as you can see, it helps to identify breakout zones. Okay, it helps to identify breakout zones. So you can see that the indicator automatically shows you resistance level and a support level. Okay, the near a recent resistance level and a recent support level. This is a consolidation market, so the indicator highlighted this zone and this zone as important zones to look out for. Okay, now as a breakout trader, you want to pay attention to price breaking above the resistance zone and perhaps a candle closing above it for you to look out for buying opportunities, or price breaking below the support zone and a candle closing below it, right, for you to look out for sell opportunities. Okay, ensure that you always get your confirmations. Ensure that you apply proper risk management. Do not trade with an amount you can't afford to lose, and ensure that you do not over leverage. Okay, it's very important. Apply proper lot sizing so that you do not have regrets. Okay, if you're not yet subscribed to this channel, you might want to do that now, and don't forget to turn on your notifications so that you do not miss out on more valuable trading content. In the meantime, thank you for watching, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Happy trading.